Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson, I will show you how to remove all light and shadows in Photoshop. As you can see, this image has some shadows, and first we will increase the light of these areas, and then we will improve the overall lightness of this image. So first, let's press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer, and then go to Image, Adjustments, and choose shadows or highlights. As you can see, it's showing a great result already, increasing this light of these areas, and we can also adjust the amount from here, and you can also decrease the light of the highlight areas. For this image, I will set it to 0, and we will hit OK. That's the before and after. And now we will click here to add an adjustment layer of brightness or contrast, and we will increase the brightness using this slider, and we'll decrease the contrast a little bit. And now we will select the both layers, and we'll click here to group it, and here's the before and after of this change. Let's see one more thing on a different image. Here, if I again press Ctrl J and go to Image, Adjustments, and Shadows or Highlights. So if I click here, show more options, then you can see we have now got the tone or radius for shadows and highlights. We can adjust this as well. We can also adjust the color and mid-tone. Let's see what we can do using these sliders. In this image, we can increase the amount of the highlights. We can also adjust the color and mid-tone from here. Let's click OK. So that's the before and after. So that's all for this lesson. If you like it, then you can give a thumbs up, share it, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then you can subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.